Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Anil. So in this video I'm going to solve two numerical problems based on block diagram reduction technique. So in this the first question is, this is the input and this is the output, and for this block diagram we need to find overall transfer function. Okay, the moment we see block diagram, initially we have to see the loops. So we see one loop here and the second loop is this one. Now coming to numerator part, we have G1 plus G3 in parallel. So I have made sum here, G1 plus G3. And then we have in cascade G2. So that is what I multiply here, G2. So G1 plus G3 into G2. Okay, this we have in numerator part. Now coming to denominator part, we have to mention the loops. So I have written here first loop. So we have to write 1 minus. Already we have minus here. So minus into minus plus sign. Then we have G2 times H1. That is what I mentioned here, G2 times H1. Then I have taken here this loop. Okay, in this loop we have G1, G2 and H2. So I have G1, G2 and H2. We need to multiply with minus sign, minus, and we already have minus. So minus into minus plus. And we see these two loops are touching. Okay, so if non-touching means we have to take product of these two. Since these two loops are touching, we need not to do anything. So what I have done here is, in numerator I have written the forward paths. Okay, in denominator I have mentioned the loops. So in forward path what we have, G1 plus G3 into G2. In loops we have one loop, G2 times H1, one minus of minus plus, and we have one more loop, G1, G2 and H2. G1, G2 and H2 I have multiplied with minus, and already we have minus, minus into minus plus. Now coming to second problem. For this block diagram, we need to find overall gain. Okay, output by input. See, first I have solved this one. I have here 20 plus 10 plus 30, 60. Okay, these are in parallel. So I have done sum 60. Then we have loop. Okay, overall loop. So 1 minus, already we have minus, minus into minus plus 60. So 60 divided by 61. Approximately the value will be 1. Okay, here we have 12 and have 0. So 12 plus 0, 12. Then we have overall loop 1 minus, again we have minus sign here. So minus into minus plus. Then we have 12 into 1 by 4. So 12 by 4 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So in this path we have 1 into 3, 3. That is what I have written here. Okay, now we have one more path here. In this path we have 20 and we have minus 2. Okay, these are in series, so we have to multiply this. 20 into 2, 40, and we already have minus sign here and one more minus sign here. So minus into minus plus. Okay, so we have 40 here and we have 3 here. So overall gain will be 40 plus 3, 43. So in this way we can solve overall transfer function related to block diagram. One more time, let me explain you. Since these three blocks are in parallel, so I have done sum. Okay, if we sum these three blocks, we have 60 here, and I have taken here feedback 1 minus or minus. This whatever numerator part is there, that will come in denominator. Same thing I have done here. So this is one path and this is one path. Finally, I have added these two paths. Okay, here we have minus n and we have a minus n. So overall, it becomes plus here. Okay, so the overall gain will be 43. Thank you.